It's Ginebra versus Macau Black Knights. And I'm always saying na naging maganda yung Abarrientos para sa Ginebra kasi siya yung nagbibigay ng different flavor sa system-oriented team na ito. Nahaluan ng kanyang shot creation, yung kanyang playmaking, and this time, what a no-look pass to Troy Rosario. Pero meron ding same type of guard sa Macau with Chongqui creating for an outside shot of Leong and syempre yung kanyang sariling puntos din. Back to Ginebra, wala pa rin kupas si Justin Brownlee, hitting this isolation sa mid-range, tapos in the next possession, popping out for the 3-point shot. Confident pa rin yung Ginebra na team to beat pa rin sila with Brownlee in there. Tsaka kung titingnan natin yung roster nila, malakas pa rin naman talaga eh. May mga big man na malapit nang gumaling na pwedeng mag-try to stop the other imports. So, ang ginagawa lang ng Ginebra dito is papa-isolate lang si Brownlee kay Cao kasi dito sila may advantage. Tapos, kapag merong help, willing passer naman as always si JB. So, RJ Abarrientos with a 3-point shot. Dito kasi kontra Macau, medyo hindi pa mararamdaman ng Ginebra yung import disparity sa height kasi 6'7" lang si Mitchell. Though, magandang start to sa kanilang conference. In the second quarter, meron na talagang chance yung bench ng Ginebra to show up unlike talaga before. And embrace na rin ni Coach Timko na gamitin yung mga bench. And sayang lang na injury pa si Jason David. Ngayon nga, binibigyan na siya ng tiwala eh. And this time, Norbert Torres hitting an outside shot. Tsaka mukhang may sleeve buff si Abarrientos eh, no? Another 3-point shot para sa kanya. At grabe yung ginagawa niya dito eh. Pekeng-peke yung taga Macau. RJ again para sa Ginebra. Mas lalong lalaki yung lamang ng Ginebra courtesy of this action of Japet na waiting lang sa dunker spot. And ayun na nga, dinakdak na. Wala ring Scottie Thompson in this game kaya mas malayang magawa ni RJ yung kanyang mga shot making. And actually, parang same type of team lang yung naglalaban eh. It is just mas talented lang talaga yung Ginebra. Kita naman natin, RJ another suabe basket. Tambak na sa first half. In the final period, sumusubok pa rin yung Chongqui with his 4-point shot. Pero ibang level yung pinakita ng Ginebra dito. Tapos nung nag-start na mag-fast break yung Jenkins is nawala na ng pag-asa yung Macau. RJ Abarrientos, tapos Justin Brownlee slamming this one down. Some takeaways in this game, I think they need to replace Tony Mitchell. Yung kanilang reserve import ay si Oscar Lopez para sa Macau. Kasi parang walang will to play si Mitchell eh. Wala na yung energy niya. Tsaka parang ayaw niya talaga maglaro eh, no? Ayaw rin mag-dominate. No, hold back lang yung mga gustong gawin ng Macau. For Ginebra naman, one thing is on top. Justin Brownlee is still dangerous. Iba pa rin yung Ginebra JB. Next is RJ is going to be an elite scorer sa PBA. The bag says it all. Tsaka nababalance yung system plays to his own creation. Overall, a solid debut para sa Ginebra. Kaso 0-3 naman yung Macau. GG's everyone.